Right?
Man, he's stinky now.
I'm still gonna give them back.
They need like a bucket for them to take a bath in instead of the bathtub.
Come on, Penny. Let's go. Go. Faster. Come on, Penny. Let's go. Come on. Bye. Good job, babies. You're so fast, baby girl. Again. Come on. Let's go.